Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield for WyckoffSMI Week in Review for October 22nd, 2023. As you know, last week I was bearish on the general stock market. In front of us, the Wyckoff wave. We talked about what was previous support maybe turning into resistance. We was close to an overbought reading up near the highs. And with last week's late weakness, we look for still lower in the coming week before we turn friendly. On the 5-minute intraday between the wave and OP volume, everything's kind of moving in lockstep, so nothing to report there. Wyckoff wave new index, same type of thing. You can see we had the red dot sell there 7 sessions ago. We're coming down to 42 now. 38 is considered oversold. So again, let's see if we can come down, maybe test these lows. Maybe we're going to break them, but we'll wait for the first few days of next week. Wyckoff wave growth index, same type of thing. It did get oversold there 4 or 5 days ago. We're at neutral right now, so let's look for a little bit lower. SPY, we had a nice sell signal at the red dot. You can see technometer here is 46.26. This chart does not look very well. Thursday and Friday, we had an increase in volume to the downside. Looks like we're breaking away lower, so we're definitely going to look for lower in the SPY and see when that technometer gets to oversold. You can see here the OP, there's no real sell volume coming in, but price is giving it up. So right now that doesn't look too good. TLT, we talked about that. We had a sell signal up there at what was previous support turned into resistance. We are headed down to new lows here, technometer 42.75. Let's look for a little bit lower in the TLT. I would think you'd have some capitulation somewhere here. There's a lot of people stuck long bonds. This index is down over 50% in the last few years, so could see some capitulation here that I think would be a short-term bottom. Wyckoff wave metals index, you can see lower right, technometer going right down to that 38 level. So we've talked about a major low in the metals coming. We think that probably happened, and we want to be buyer on Wyckoff wave metals index and some of the metal miners, probably definitely early in the week. GDX, the miners ETF, this index is overbought, so let's look maybe for a little bit lower here, but the miners are doing really well. So again, we think a major low has been formed and we could have a multi-month rally from here. UUP, we've been looking for a top. Looks kind of like a little bit of a triangle up here, so maybe we can run up one more time above that 30 and change level. And we'll see if we want to put on a short position anytime here in the near future. Bitcoin is one that we've been on the sidelines. We couldn't get the buy signal that we wanted. We're still not getting that. It appears we're getting some ETF front running. And not sure if stocks fall apart here early in the week, whether we can get some selling in Bitcoin and Ethereum. But again, we're still on the sidelines looking for a better trade setup. And the same with Ethereum. You can see technometer almost at 50, 49.828. Chart doesn't look as well as Bitcoin. So this chart really looks a little bit bearish to me. So again, we're on the sidelines looking for lower. And good luck and have a great trading week.